Hi, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday. I already went out and did some stuff yesterday and today, so I didn't document it. I just genuinely didn't feel like picking up the camera. I'm not gonna lie. But I went out and did some sourcing since I said I needed to do a little bit more sourcing this week, and I've got some good stuff. I actually already kind of went through a lot of the stuff that I bought. You saw in the last video, I found those high value textbooks. I went ahead and finished processing those, and I ended up finding a few more today as well when I went sourcing. So that was exciting. Went ahead and processed that order for World of Books, and still working on the books run portion of it. But nonetheless, right now I'm about to start doing some listings. So I'll show you guys what I listed and what, the value was. I've just got some things to get up. I was supposed to have a whatnot show today, doing kind of another one of the consignment shows upstairs, but I've decided I'm done with the consignment for there. We're going to do one more comic book show and that's it. Everything else is going to go to an in-person yard sale. I'm just kind of done with the shows. I don't think the money up there is really worth it for me anymore to continue to do shows. So I am going kind of back into myself, back into my own business. No more consignment right now outside of that comic book show. Of course, I'll let you guys know when I do the sales and what we end up, pulling in from the in-person sales, because I think those are going to be really, really good, but no more whatnot shows. So yeah, I'm just going to do some listing. Before I go ahead and start actually listing, I do want to go ahead and pack up a couple of eBay orders. I think we just have like 3 things that sold. So I'll show you guys what sold real quick, get those packed up. Right, just a couple of items here. These 3, we have this little Tennyson with like kind of a folio, which is pretty nice. I think this one sold for $14 plus shipping. And this is from the Banker boxes. I listed this a long time ago and it actually just sold. This copy of Don Quixote, I believe this one sold for, what was it, $18.99 maybe? I think that was what that was. It should be right up here on the side. I have 2 copies of that. Hopefully get the other one sold soon. And then this one was from the Facebook pickup. And this one I think sold for $10.99. So pretty happy with those. Again, I really just like seeing these free book pickup books selling because they are all profit. There's no investment other than my time of going to pick the items up, my gas, and the wear and tear on my body of hauling everything into my office and then, doing the research and comping. So pretty excited with that. Saturday, back at the Goodwill here locally. Not very optimistic. I don't like coming here anymore, but gotta try to make some money. I don't want to completely discount a store just because it hasn't been enjoyable to source at. So here we are. I'll let you guys know if we find anything good. Okay, just a few things. I did pick up this. This will probably be a little eBay listing here. This Browning machine gun caliber, decent little comp. Manga, a couple kids books, and yeah, really just a few things here. Hi. So this is Saturday show. So this is everything that sold for Saturday show. Had a nice little show. It's only on for 3 hours, but I think we did about $600, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So a pretty solid show. I'm just about to start getting all of this packed up. Should be relatively easy. Really happy with how the Saturday shows are still staying pretty consistent. Shelves are being purchased from as well. So it's not just the new inventory, but people are actually like pulling stuff off of the shelves, which is really nice. So it's been good. 1 show a week's been working. Focusing on eBay's been working. Just really happy, really repeating that consistently each week now. And yeah, so I'm going to get all these packed up. Got everything over here. I always like to double count the orders when I'm done to make sure that it's the accurate amount and that I pulled everything correctly, but that's how I pull all those massive orders and I stick them in order from A to Z by username. That's kind of how I organize mine. And then I just get started from the beginning, working my way down packing. Happy Tuesday, everybody. That took way too long for me to get down here. There were like 3 accidents everywhere, so we're just now getting here. But I've been loving coming to this location because I've been finding so many good books for sellback services. So that's my goal today. See if I can find some good sellback stuff. We have the bins already kind of spread out. That's cool. You can see back there it's expanded just a little bit. Okay. Another day with not a lot of books, but last time we did really well with not a lot of books. So let's see if we can do well again. All right, well, it's very disappointing. Not even a single, just regular book. Nothing for scans, nothing for regular, modern stuff. Just not a very good selection here, but I think I might just look around to see if I can see anything in these bins. I'll probably go to the DAV here in a second. Okay, I feel like we had such good luck here last time. So let's see. And then I'm gonna go across, literally right across the street is the Salvation Army, and see what their shelves are looking like, if they've stocked them. Right. Oh, looks like may have been stocked up again. It looks pretty full. All right, same deal. I'm gonna go ahead and search so I can focus, and I'll point out any bangers. I'm not seeing anything looking too new right now, but I'll let you know. Womp, womp, womp. Not a single book. It looks full, but it's kind of just the same stuff I passed over last week, so that's wild. That is crazy. All right, let's head up the Salvation Army. It is also just like wildly empty at every thrift store I've gone to. Like all three of them are just not very many people. Maybe it's early. I am down here a little earlier than I usually am, so we'll give it that. Very curious to see what it looks like in here. Gosh, another bummer, man. That's crazy. Not a single book in there, but they are adding books, which is nice. Okay. All right, so complete bust. Didn't buy a single book, which is wild. Okay, I guess I head back home now. I mean, those are my thrift stores I normally hit, so it is what it is. That happens. Just stopped at my local Goodwill. I've been kind of coming here after I go to Virginia Beach or later in the day, and I ended up finding some decent stuff for sellback. I think this one's going for like $8 and some change, and this one's like $1.50, so not terrible, but it'll pay for everything in the cart easily. And got some paperbacks here. These are also going to be really good. I'll try to throw up some comps of these Sweet Pickles books. I've sold these before. They are like really just random looking hardcover books, but this brand Sweet Pickles does pretty well, so I'll grab those. And just another hardback there, so pretty happy. Again, these two books will pay for everything in the cart, and then these will be some pretty good value, and then these will just get thrown into my show and just be extra money on top. Alright guys, I decided to stop over here just to see if I could get any goodies, and I already found a couple things, so I'm going to keep digging and I'll show you what else I find. Alright, and this is what I grabbed. A couple thrillers, a couple romance, a couple general fiction. Not too bad. Good little haul for a random stop-in. We're back at the office now. I want to go ahead and pull the eBay orders and get those packed, show you guys what sold, and then we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. I know this is probably a pretty short video and not really anything super exciting, but I had a really busy week last week, and I just have some things I want to focus on that don't really require me doing a lot of like filming. It's just kind of back-end office work stuff. So I am going to show you what sold here. I've got 6 items. We have a total of $173.27 in sales. So let's go ahead and get into that. So I'll just go ahead and pull each one of these with you. I feel like I haven't pulled orders in a while. I accepted this offer on this Beautiful Braiding Made Easy. This is one of those braiding books I was telling you guys about that I just like randomly found that had value. These were from the Facebook Marketplace pickup, from my free local pickup. $9, that was the offer, but I had picked up a few of these in that pickup, and I think overall I've made probably close to, I don't know, $30 or $40 off of them. So those were fun. Those are Japanese style like braiding techniques. We did a plush, the Adventure Time, and the Bendy the Ink Machine. So those are over here. Let me go ahead and grab those out of the bin real quick. And we listed these just last week. We have, this is Jake. He is a dog from the show Adventure Time. It's a Cartoon Network TV show. He sold for $12.89 plus shipping. And then this is Bendy and the Ink Machine. This is, I believe, from like a video game series, but this is a pretty large one. They all sell decently, but the larger kind of velour ones like this, really clean condition, do well. And this one sold for $26.99 plus shipping. So 2 little plush sales there. Let's see, a couple more books. I think we also listed this last week, this McManus Treasury. I don't remember what that was from. I think it was the Bankers boxes. Yes, it was. This was a really good random one, something that looking at, I may not find to be something that looks like it has a super high value to it. I don't even know what it is. I think it's comedy of some sort, but this ended up selling for $34.99 plus shipping. So be on the lookout for these. The McManus Treasury. That was definitely a good little flip. Then we have a Franklin Library. Don Quixote, is that the last one? I think so. Don Quixote. So we only have 2 more Franklin Libraries listed. So that's exciting. And I think there's one more item. Crucible of War, another really good flip. Oh, this is another good one from the Bankers boxes. Another be on the lookout for with this one. Crucible of War, the 7 Years' War and the Fate of Empire in British North America. $32.99 plus shipping on that one. And this one should not be signed. It is a first edition, but yeah, it's not signed or anything. So just another good flip. So $173, I think we said there, 4 books, 2 plush. Nice solid sales there. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and call it. Let's wrap up the video. I hope that you guys are having a great week and business is booming for you. We are pretty past, I feel like, that little bit of that pre-spring, post-winter, mid-January, February slowdown. It to me feels like eBay sales are selling when I'm getting good quality listings up. They are moving, and my sales on Whatnot are much better in this month of February than they were in the month of January. So I am definitely seeing an increase overall in my sales. Hope you guys are as well. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment below if you haven't already. I will catch you guys next week with another Whatnot eBay reselling related video. Have a wonderful week. Until then, bye.